Now I'll say a little bit better instructions would have been handy. If you see these, you will see that they're offset. All you got to do is look at the thing here, and you can tell that, well, it's going to have to sit down in there. Now I haven't done this yet, so I have to collapse this end down with one of these that says 5/16. That's not it, but that's the opposite end of the flare. That's not it. That's definitely not it. It says 1/4 inch, 45 degree. It says 8, 6/6. It says 3/8. It says 3/8. Why don't I just look at the tip? That's too big. It looks like it. 3/16, 45. So this will go in here. And put the bubble part on it so that you can go in with this and make the flare part. So let me set you down, and unlike somebody else that I know bought one of these and used it, you shouldn't have to try to be the Hulk and try to do this. I've got 2 cameras going. The other one's for YouTube. You guys getting this one. Tighten it down, and then put the die back in. That will make the bubble. Make sure it's centered in there. Oh, that was gas. I'm wondering if I'm missing something here. Ah, okay. I think I done figured it out. The die slips in there. So that holds it. Kinda holds it. Alright. Go there. Got the valve shut. Okay, we lid off. We unscrew it. And it appears to have made a perfect little bubble. Alright, well, I'll show you guys. Perfect little bubble down in there. And next we will put in this die. You don't have to crank these down. The last guy I saw to use one of these, he cranked it down so hard that he snapped the piece. You don't have to do that. And now we make sure that valve is shut. Right there. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be good. And yes, I did get both of the fittings on. I think every mechanic in the world has put something together and then figured out that, hey, I forgot to put the fittings on. So that's all there is to a Vevor hydraulic press. It did leave some tiny ridges in there, but they're not bad. I mean, my old manual one used to leave terrible ridges in it, and it still want to slip sometimes. So now all I have to do is bend this up, fit the shape of that one over there laying in the seat, and install it. And that will be that. So, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. And this one goes out to Vevor. You did a good job. So far, I've got the pneumatic jack from them. I've got the this from them, which is actually I bought to do all the brake lines and this because they got to be done from the front to the rear. And I bought brake line for it. So I'll have to be doing it and flaring everything. I got that, and then I got a plenishing hammer right there, which I haven't even unboxed yet. Boy, it looks backward in the camera. Looks like I'm pointing at the rear bumper. But I've got that. I need to unbox and get it set up to make the pieces, rounded pieces on the inside of the trunk and a few other places. So that's the type that mounts down to a table. So y'all have a good one. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. Bye.